So if you're looking to learn trading but don't know where to start, so we're going to explore Finalo trading application. So this Finalo trading application, it's an all-in-one platform designed to help beginners and intermediate traders understand the markets. So what Finalo gives you is that it combines education, AI-powered tools and practice features to make trading more accessible. So whether you are interested in stocks or any cryptos, this app aims to simplify the learning process and help you build the real skills required for trading. So we're going to start off with setting up and getting started with Finalo. It's very simple. You can go to this website here, finalo.com. So that's the official website. So go to finalo.com official website. You'll land in this page here. And all you have to do is click on get started. So click on get started here and you will get to this screen here. So when you get to this screen here, what you're going to do is you're going to simply answer a few questions. These questions will help you set up a 28-day challenge, which will help you once you complete each challenge for each day. It will help you and give you a better understanding on trading. So just answer these questions, and once you have answered the questions, you will only need your email address and a password that you can use with Finalo and to just create the account. So just get that process done. And alternatively, you can also download the official Finalo app from the App Store or Play Store. And once installed, you can, same thing, you can create your account using your email. So do that. And once you have created your account using your email address and password, and after signing up, you will be typically guided through a quick onboarding process where you choose your experience level. So that is where you select your, based on your experience, your preferences. The Finalo will help you assess your on which level you are. Okay, and some features may require subscription, but there is a 3-day trial period which you can start off with, and later on you can subscribe and get access to all the other features. So once you sign up, you will get to this screen here. So this is once I've logged into my account, and you will get to this screen here. As you can see, you have different sections in this application here. So let's break down the main sections of the application. The first one here is the learn section, the learning section. This is where you find your structured courses on trading. So it has topics include like strategies, risk management, market psychology. All these lessons are designed to take you from the beginner to a more advanced concept step by step. So for every day, for day 1, day 2 up to day 28, there are different courses here, different lessons. So you're going to click on each. If you want to start a lesson, click on start, and you have the option to either read the course and go through it, or if you don't want to read, you can also listen. Click on the listen option and you can complete it. So you just have to read it, and then at the end of each reading session there will be like a little quiz which to help you make your understanding better. You can complete that. So you can do that for every day here. So each day you spend a little time doing these lessons here, and that will help you with your learning section. So that's the learning section here. The next one is we have the tools here. If you click on the tools here, this is where we have all these AI chat analyzers. So one of Finalo's standard features is that you can upload a chart. Okay, for example, if you click on analyze now, okay, here you can simply upload your chart and the AI will identify the trends, patterns and the key levels. So this helps speed up the analysis and also support decision making. So you can do that for process here. But apart from that, you also have other AI tools like the market forecaster, smart plan finder. So all these features allows you to upload your chart, and then it will do the job for you. It will help you analyze you, so which is pretty good, and pretty much it makes your life easier, especially when you want to analyze your trades and stuff. So you can do that here. Okay, and also you have this AI mentor here, so you can like ask questions to it, and it will like give you answers to your questions. Like, you can ask questions to help better with your understanding. And the next option here is the portfolio. So portfolio section is where you have the simulator and where you can like buy your assets. Okay, so you can like you have like options to buy assets. It helps you to like practice trading without risking with real money. So if you click on, if you want to buy any assets or anything, if you click on buy assets, this will take you to your assets page here. So here you can check if you're after stocks, you can look through the stocks here. And if you want after crypto, you can look up. If you click on crypto, this will show you all the cryptos here. So, and when you look at the trend, there are two different colors here. One is with the green with a little arrow going up, which means that the stocks are doing well, they are going up. Whereas you have one with a violet color, which with the arrow going down, which means that the stocks are going a bit down the trend. So this actually helps you a clear indicator, acts as a clear indicator to show which is going up, which is going down. Okay, which is pretty good. So I can actually buy assets and start practicing and trading from here, from this section here. That's the portfolio here. And you have these letterboard here. So letterboard is actually for you to like complete your task every day. So every day when you make a learning, so you learn every day, and then once you complete your learning, it will be added here, and every day that you will get rewards for completing your task. This is just to boost, keep you like boost you from, make you keep going every day with the lessons. So if you click on start, and you're on your letterboard here, you can like join others and also see your performance and your rewards, everything here, which will be showed here. Okay, and also you can like track your progress, your achievements, and it helps you stay motivated as you learn. So that's the main purpose of the letterboard here. And this is your profile section here. So here is where you can like check your profile. If you want to access your profile settings to change your subscription or your account details, can click on the settings here and change it. You can add an avatar for yourself, so you can click on that and do that, and you can see all your overviews, progress, and everything here on this profile section here. So now, how can you make money with Finalo? So when you come to this question here, let's be clear. Finalo doesn't directly make money for you. It's actually a learning platform and not a guaranteed income tool. So keep that in mind. So, but there are some tips which I can share here that you can use it effectively to help you make money. So one is the first one, focus on learning first. So understand the basics before risking with real money, and use the simulator here. So use the simulator here. Try to practice the strategies in a risk-free environment before going live. And don't rely only on the AI. So use the AI tools as guidance, not as the final decision maker. That's crucial. Okay, and manage your risk. Like never invest money that which you can't afford to lose. So this is always a key point in trading. So never invest money that you can't afford to lose, and also combine with other resources. I would suggest like Finalo is helpful, but real success usually comes from learning across multiple platforms. So keep that in mind as well. And also always remember, trading involves risk and profits are never guaranteed. So that is keep something that you need to be aware of. And apart from that, this Finalo is actually a useful app for learning trading fundamentals, especially for beginners who want a structured and interactive approach. It offers tools like AI analysis, guided courses, and simulations, all everything in under one app or one application. However, it's important to approach it with realistic expectations. Okay, use it as a learning tool, not a shortcut to get like instant profits. If you stay consistent, keep learning and managing your risk, Finalo can be really a helpful part of your trading journey.